What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Again, we are back in the car. We are back in the Myvi this time. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be installing some mods. We're going to be installing some mods on this car, and well, not really mods lah. It's like, well, it is a mod. It's like aesthetic mods, like, you know, just to make the car look nicer. Yeah, so basically I'm on my way right now to go meet up a friend to pick up some stuff which I've bought from him like I think a month ago, and I haven't really got to go and pick it up because of you know, MCO and all that, you know, roadblocks here and there. Right now I'm just gonna go meet up with him, just a quick one, and go and pick up the stuff. The things for the car is already at home. So later, once I'm back, I'll go ahead and install it, and then after this we're gonna go to the pet shop to get food for the dog as well, because he's been wanting to eat snacks, but there's none. Now we are just on our way to Sedang, and let me just show you this feature, the toll feature. See, there's the smart tag reader over there. So we're gonna go to the smart tag zone. By the way, the black Myvi is looking nice with the sport rim. Aku pun nak tukar sport rim, tapi tak tahu nak letak sport rim apa. Ke nak letak ITC yang siap. Alright, so here we go. Please don't scroll up, please don't scroll up. Alright, so just like that, we are done. No need any RFID, no need any this guy with me. No need any physical smart tag to hold in your hand, just that thing in the reader, and the card goes down there somewhere in the card compartment. Okay, check this out. Look at the color on this thing. The green RCZ or CRZ or whatever. Look at that. Boom. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go and pick up the stuff, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bosku!
Bosku, okay bosku. Ni kereta yang dah di-order bosku. Dah ambil bosku. Thank you.
Dah. Janganlah. Jom.
I'm good bro.
Baik.
Kau okay?
Aku okay. Okay guys, so we have successfully picked up the stuff. It's basically just my additional Hot Wheels collection. So yeah, basically benda ni aku dah beli actually dah lama lah sebenarnya, dah nak sebulan lebih. Cuma tak boleh nak jumpa je lah kawan aku sebab roadblock, MCO, all that kind of thing, so we can't really meet up. And so now it's actually Friday the 19th, so I'm on leave actually. I just took leave off from work, just too tired. And he was around dekat Sedang je, so we decided to just meet up and, you know, just pick up the things, and that's it. So now we are gonna go back home, and we are gonna continue with the installation of the parts on the car, on the door handle and the rear skirting. Okay, so we are back home again. Excuse the slippers. And yeah, so today we are going to be installing these parts onto the car. So this is basically the rear skirt that goes to the back, and this actually the door handle covers. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to chrome delete this, put this cover onto the original part, and basically it's this carbon fiber design. Well, I initially wanted to have this hydro dipped in carbon fiber as well, or either wrap it in a carbon fiber cloth, but it's going to cost a lot more money and I don't really want to do that. I thought of doing it myself, but it's going to delay the video more, so I was like, this is really actually good enough already. So how this goes is we just, let me just set you down. Okay, so basically the thing goes like this. Just sticks in like this. You have to put in double tape, and the best part is you just have to use the original clips back again. I'm not sure if you can see that. You just have to use the original clips back, so there's no drilling or anything required for this, like most other cars. The previous one, like that one over there, when I put the front lip last time, I had to drill it to the front bumper, so you got a lot of holes in that right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in the double tape, just get it ready, and okay, so we have the tape properly put up. Well, I'm not sure it's properly or not, and I'm kind of having doubts on this part of the piece. It may not line up with the original clip properly, but we're gonna have to make it work. And yeah, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to fix it up first. I'm gonna remove this one clip over here first. I have to try to remove that, and then after that we'll just see on how it goes and regarding about fitment wise and all that. So I'm gonna set the camera down first and I'll get back to you one second. Alright guys, so this left side is complete, looking much better now. So I have managed to get the clips in. It's quite a difficult thing to do. As you can see here, it's a bit I mean it's in there, but it's not really in there. Just need to press this part down. It's really difficult, like this one, but it's in there. And that one over there is in there. It's in too. So unfortunately, I did not put the tape on one part of the piece properly, so I'm having a fitment issue over here. If I just put in a tape in just now, it would be nice, but everywhere else is just taped up nicely. It's solid. So stop the bumper. Yeah, I don't think so it's gonna fall out anyway soon, because last time I put a front lip on that, it just flew off in the middle of the highway. And I don't think so, because this one is already clipped in and it's also mounted with tape, so it's okay. Tape is pretty tough. I'm just worried one thing, that water is just gonna go inside here. I should have taped it. I mean I could, but I can't really take it out. Let me just go on to that side, finish it up, and then we'll move on with the what they call that thing, the door handle covers. We'll move on with the door handle covers. Okay, so guys, I'll see you all in a bit. Okay, so skirting has been installed, and here it is. So sun still has a fitment issues. I forgot to put the tape on there. However, this one looks decent enough. It's barely sticking in there, barely. Yeah. So it's in there, nice. All the clips are in back again. Just 2 clips on each side. So yeah. So this one I had to put the tape over here and here, so it's fit nice. So I'm just gonna have to put a bit of pressure in by pressing this so that they're stick properly. My English is getting bad. And this one tak boleh diselamatkan lah. And just like that. Maybe in the future it's gonna have a diffuser as well, the V1 diffuser behind here. And now this part is complete. It took me quite some time because the new clips are hard to take out, and I didn't want them to break them because plastic clips are very easily to be broken. So I took it out carefully, nicely. So I bought that tool. I thought it was gonna work with the clips, but it did not work. And I tried with that, did not work. So in the end, I just used a flathead screwdriver to remove the clips, and it worked fine, thankfully. Now let's go on with this part. This is the door cover, which will go like so. You still keep the original one. I don't like chrome, so I'll put this over here like this. Oops, sorry. It fits nicely. So it will look real nice. I really hate chrome. I can't really do anything about this, so it's gonna stay. Yeah. Let's get on with it. So it already came with this tape. Installation of the door handles and the rear skirting, or whatever you call it, has been done. And yeah, let's have a look. This is the door handle cover. So basically it's just a cover on top of the original one, so it's hiding not all of the chrome. You can still see a bit over here. It's okay, it's not perfect, but it's good. So So it's just double-sided tape on that, and this one looking really nice. I mean, this one covers almost all the chrome. Sorry, this one covers almost all the chrome. You can still see it over here, somewhere here, and all that. But it's so still got another problem where this part didn't tape. You've washed the car and you didn't really notice it. You just get a towel stuck, and then I can just rip that thing right off. So as for the skirting, it seems to be in there, and it's okay. Seems that I'm not happy with this side. It's loose because I didn't put a tape. Smart ass. That looks alright. Just gonna let it sit there. Man, it's pretty hot. And yeah, so as for the front, basically you can get another lip to put below the skirting. And that's all for today. We're gonna clear all this mess up and turn the car around and park it back in again. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more content on automotive. Hopefully once everything is back to normal again, I'm not hoping really soon, we can go out for photo shoot sessions and all those things. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for tuning. Stay safe and take care.
Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe. This is Black Grape Studio guys. Dia akan konten-konten yang menarik guys. Korang jangan lupa subscribe, komen, like, share apa benda semua lah. Suka hati korang lah. Jadi korang tonton je video ni guys. Okay, ciao.
Bodoh.